Omushomo gw'abarukurambuza abarambuzi shomesibwe kuba kubasa kuhereza omurambuzi obuyambo bwo kubanduzaho yamara kutunga butandu obo yaba ryo mu malindiro g'enyamishwa okukora emirimo yabo n'emichwe.
As a ministry, we made a deliberate decision to invest in the people who are at the heart of mountain tourism in Uganda. Our guides, rangers, cooks and porters. These frontline workers shape the visitor experience. They are responsible for safety. They represent Uganda to the world.
Newton Hachiza, Senior Monitoring Evaluation Officer omuri Ministry y'eby'oburambuzi kandi obirejwe kirwa muhandi wa ministry nagira ngo ministry yashazire mu kutendeka abantu nkaguma amulingo gulije kubahwera okulinda amagara g'abarambuzi.
As a ministry, we recognize that global competitiveness in mountaineering tourism rests on three pillars. Strong safety systems. The first one is strong safety systems, professional leadership, and internationally aligned rescue and risk protocols. This program was designed specifically to strengthen these pillars.
One day you die, you will go with all that wealth to the grave. Let's pass on the knowledge. Let's not be mean. Everybody around us. And that is exactly what the ministry, that is what Uganda Life Authority is trying to do, to pass on the knowledge. So it should be a chain.
We are really happy for it, and it is going to help us in our fields. We were already in tourism industry. We have acquired a lot in first aid and GV and customer care. We have been in tourism doing this activity. Sometimes we have been doing what we call common mistakes. So with this training, it has really helped us to renovate the way we have been doing.
George Businge, or Senior Chief Warden wa Rwenzori Mountains National Park, nagira ngo nango muhendo gw'abarambuzi gweyonjire ahabwa ministry kugumana ekole ebintu bingi omwirindiro eri.
Increasing number of visitors. And we partly attribute this to infrastructure problems. I've already told you the figures. 2023-24 we had 7,703. Now 2024-2025 we had 10,483 visitors coming to Rwenzori.
Abantu bakorera mu irindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park kandi eri nirimwe omu marindiro g'eihanga amahango. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.